Open Play Store or App Store on your phone. Search for Yellow Class. Once you see this icon, click on Install. Once you have installed the app, it will appear on your home screen. You can also open the app from Play Store itself. It will ask you 3 questions. Select whether you are a parent or a child, the grade, and the subject. Click on Register for free. On this screen, input the mobile number from which you will use the app. Click on Get OTP. You will get a 4-digit OTP on your mobile number. Input the same in the boxes and it will take you to the home screen. Your profile is created. On Home, you can take the exercise by clicking on Today's Exercise or Continue Learning card. If you wish to create another profile or switch profiles, click on the bottom icon showing profile name. It will open the My Profile section. Click on the icon on top right corner. It will give an option to Manage Profile. Click on that and you can see all the active profiles. Select the profile from which you wish to continue your learning journey. Although please note, always select the profile you have purchased the plan for, otherwise you may not be able to see the ongoing progress and exercises. In case of any doubt, reach out to your dedicated coach.